Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a paper popper. Demonstration sounds like this. If you can get the okay. See. Alright. Sounds like this. Alright, dang it. Sounds like this. Wait, try that again. It didn't sound that bad. It sounded bad. That's what it sounds like. You can use any paper you want. So yeah. Okay. First thing you're gonna want to do is get your paper. I'm gonna be using this book. Okay, go get the paper quick. Here. Alright, first thing you wanna do is how am I gonna do this? You're gonna have to put it to the side where the holes are. Right here. There. Sorry guys. There. Okay. See how they have the holes? Send it right there on the holes. And then you're gonna line it up on the line. I'm just gonna do it behind because it's more better to use. So it should look like this. Line it up on the line. So look. So all I did was this. It was like that. All I did was line it up. All I did was line it up. After you lined it up, like this, as I showed y'all, you're gonna have to open it back up, and where you can see in this line right here, you're gonna take this back. Put the top lines right on that little line. Put it on the line like that. So this is what I did. All I did was the paper like that, had the line right here, then I put it down where that line was, folded it again. So fold it, crease it, not that much, just crease it enough. And after you've done that, you are gonna have to do that again on the second line where you just put it on. So right on that line. That line right there. So this is what I did. It was like that, right? Now take this part again and put it on that line. On that other side. After you've done that, you're gonna have a flap that looks like this. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna have a flap like that, like a bar. And then you're gonna have to take the whole entire bar and just pull it. Like that. Roll it one, and then two. Gosh. And then when you did it, rolled it 2 times, crease it. And then after you creased it, turn it to the other back side, just where it's blank. And then that's when you're gonna have to have to fold it. It's gonna be a little hard, so yeah. And then fold it. Or let's like this. Sorry guys. Right. Like that. So on the back, put it to the other side. And when you've done that, turn it around. Turn it on the back. And then when you've done that, you're going to want to push it down. And when you pushed it down like that, it should look like that. And when you push it down, it should, here, let me show y'all. Alright, as you had it like that, right? You push it down, and then you get these two bars, close it, and y'all can see this little part right here in the middle. Here. This right here. Screw in the middle. And hold at the end of it. Right here. Tip. Hold it at the tip. Make sure that's in there. The middle part's in there, see? And then when you have that done, you hold it like this. Alright. And when you've done that, you're gonna want to go like this. And then how to reload it, see how it looks like that? The way to reload it is like this. It just opens, so when you have to reload, just open it back up, just like that. Make it look like that, and then you're gonna put it back down one time, turn it back, and then go back to the position back there, and then do it again.